So one website I forgot to mention in all of my other videos about free assets and images is the NASA website, which has some great 3D resources, and I'll show you in this video. Before I start, this will be linked in the description and comments, so you can go there and just download everything you want. So on this website, it's all free. You don't have to worry about any copyright issues. It's all paid by the American people, so I don't have to pay for shit. Okay. So the 3D models, they are pretty basic. Don't expect too much. There's a lot of detail geometry-wise, but texture-wise, there's not a lot. You have these landing sites, which are just really high resolution scans. Or you have all the modules, all the spaceships. You have an astronaut. You also have some goofy shit. Wait, you have this Robonaut, yeah. This is incredible, yeah. Anyway, these are even blend files. So, but yeah, you can find some really pretty good space models here. I really like I used one of these rockets in one of my scenes, but you can also just get a character model, free character model. I know some of you would like some free character models, and maybe you're into space like me. It's really cool. You have these asteroids, which are just recreations. They're pretty high resolution. Not only this, but they have some images and textures which are incredible, really great. Like for example, you can download this Europa texture, and I will show you in one of my first videos how to make an actual planet of it in 3D. And I think I used one of these textures. Yeah, I used this Mars texture. It's really great. You can just follow this tutorial. Maybe I'll make a new tutorial, long form tutorial, because it was really quite basic and really fast. But you have these just flat textures of planets in the same format that our maps are made, of course. So the images and textures are also really cool. And you have some visualizations and things. But of course, most of you will just look at the 3D models. Apollo lunar module. These are all pretty old, 2009. So don't expect too much. But it's if you want just a model and you can texture it yourself, it's texturing is really easy. But you just have these models. If you go to the newer models, they have some better image textures on there. But you can find some really cool gems here. Ingenuity drone. These are pretty recent, so these are actually pretty high quality. So I'll download this and show you. They have a blend file even. The NASA file. So this is from NASA, from the NASA computers, and you can see some. Their blend files are a little bit different. This is actually a really high quality model. This is carbon fiber. They also give you an HDRI of one of their workspace, I think. Maybe, I don't know. Boiler Room 2K. No, it's not NASA's. You can use this for some animations. I think some of you will really like this. I don't know why it's called Buzz. Probably some NASA code, whatever. Maybe you can explain to me in the comments. So yeah, this is really cool. I don't know why I forgot to tell you this, but it's really cool. And I've told you, so that was it. So leave a like, subscribe, comment, and go to my Gumroad. There are some free things. I posted the Rust material. Maybe some of you saw it in the shorts, but I'll link it here as well. So yeah, you can do whatever you want. You can go anywhere you like. Blender is free. Everything is free. You don't need to buy anything. You can find anything on the internet.